Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, which has notified for the IBPS RRB Regional Rural Bank 10th for the recruitment of Scale 1, Scale 2, Scale 3 officers and Office Assistant multipurpose in regional rural banks. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The IBPS has notified the common recruitment process for recruitment of officer in Scale 1, Scale 2, Scale 3 category and Office Assistants multipurpose in regional rural bank through IBPS CRP RRB 10. And it is mentioned that the online examination for the next common recruitment process for RRB CRP RRB 10 for recruitment of Group A officers, Scale 1, Scale 2 and Scale 3 and Group B Office Assistant multipurpose will be conducted by the IBPS tentatively in August and September or October 2021. The interviews for the recruitment of Group A officers, Scale 1, Scale 2 and Scale 3 under the same process will be coordinated by the nodal regional rural banks with the help of NABARD and IBPS in consultation with appropriate authority tentatively in the month of November 2021. It is also mentioned that the recruitment process for IBAPS RRB 10 for the officer Scale 1 and Office Assistant multipurpose, the examination will be of two-tier. Online examination will be held in two phases, preliminary and main. For the post of Office Assistant multipurpose, candidate who will qualify in preliminary examination and shortlisted will have to appear for main examination. They will be provisionally allotted on the basis of marks obtained by them in the main examination and the vacancies reported by the RRB. For the post of Officer Scale 1, candidates who will qualify in the preliminary examination and shortlisted will have to appear for the main examination, and shortlisted candidates in the main examination will subsequently be called for a common interview to be conducted by the nodal regional rural banks with the help of NABARD and IBPS in consultation with appropriate authority. But for the post of officer in Scale 2, general and specialist, and officer in Scale 3, candidate will have to appear for single online examination, and shortlisted candidate in the single online examination will subsequently be called for a common interview to be conducted by nodal regional rural banks with the help of NABARD and IBPS in consultation with appropriate authority. Depending on the vacancies as per the business needs of the RRB and as reported to IBPS, candidate will be shortlisted on a provisional basis in one regional rural bank, keeping in view the merit cum preference state-wise for officer in Scale 1 and Office Assistant multipurpose, the spirit of government guidelines on reservation policy, administrative convenience, etc. The validity of CRP of RRB 10 will automatically expire at the close of business on the day, which is 1 year after the date of provisional allotment or until a fresh provisional allotment is made, whichever is earlier, without given any notice. So there will be an online process, and the participating RRBs are given in the list in the advertisement, which are total in 43 in number. The eligibility criteria. Now what is an eligibility criteria? Age as on 1st of June 2021 for officer in Scale 3, that is a senior manager post, a candidate should be above 21 years and below 40 years. Candidates should not have been born earlier than 3rd of June 1981 and not later than 31st of May 2000, both dates inclusive. Whereas for the officer in Scale 2 manager, the age requirement is above 21 years and below 32 years. Candidate should not have been born earlier than 3rd of June 1989 and later than 31st of May 2000, both dates inclusive. For the officer in Scale 1, a candidate should be above 18 years and below 30 years, that is born not earlier than 3rd of June 1991 and not later than 31st of May 2003, both dates inclusive. And for the Office Assistant multipurpose, a candidate should be between 18 years and 28 years, should not have been born earlier than 2nd of June 1993 and later than 1st of June 2003. Age relaxation will be as per the Government of India guidelines, that is SC/ST 5 years, OBC 3 years, person with disabilities would be 10 years, ex-serviceman would be given for the post of office assistant multipurpose. Actual period of service rendered in the defense forces plus 3 years. 8 years for disabled ex-servicemen belonging to SC/ST, subject to a maximum age limit of 50 years. And for the post of officers, it is 5 years. Accordingly, the widows, divorced women and women legally separated, only for the post of office assistant, age concession up to the age of 35 years for general, EWS category, and 38 years for OBC and 40 years for SC/ST candidates. And person affected by 1984 rights would be 5 years relaxation would be given. And all these relaxation will be the extent as per given by the Government of India. It is also mentioned that in case of candidate belonging to OBC category, certificate should specifically contain a clause that the candidate does not belong to a creamy layer section excluded from the benefit of reservation for OBC in civil post and services under Government of India. Candidate belonging to OBC category but coming under the creamy layer are not entitled to OBC reservation. Apart from that, there is no other these are the for the age criteria and relaxation given. Now coming to the educational qualification requirement for the post of office assistant multipurpose as on last date of online registration, that is 28th of June 2021. For the office assistant multipurpose, a candidate should be a bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent, proficient in local language as prescribed by the participating RRBs, and desirable is working knowledge of computers. For the officer in scale 1 assistant manager, bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent, and preference will be given to the candidate having degree in agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agriculture and engineering, pisciculture, agriculture marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics or accountancy. Proficiency in local language as prescribed by the participating RRBs, and desirable is working knowledge of computers. Coming to the officer scale 2, general banking officer, that is a manager. The requirement is bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. Preference will be given to the candidate having degree in banking, finance, marketing, agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agriculture engineering, pisciculture, agriculture marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics and accountancy. Apart from that, experience is also required for the post of officer in scale 2, that is 2 years as an officer in a bank or financial institution. Coming to the officer scale 2 as a marketing officer, specialist officer. First post, it's not marketing officer scale 2 in the specialist officer, that is manager scale 2 in the specialist cadre. For the information technology officer, bachelor degree from a recognized university in electronics, communication, computer science, information technology or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. Desirable is certificate in ASP, PHP, C++, Java, VB, VC, OCP, etc. And 1 year of experience in the relevant field is required. For the chartered accountant, certified associate CA from an Institute of Chartered Accountant of India and 1 year as a chartered accountant. For the law officer, degree from a recognized university in law or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. 2 years as an advocate or should have worked as a law officer in the bank or financial institution for a period of not less than 2 years. Treasury manager, chartered accountant or MBA in finance from a recognized university institution. 1 year in the relevant field is required. Marketing officer, MBA in marketing from a recognized university and 1 year in the relevant field is required. Agriculture officer, bachelor degree in agriculture, horticulture, dairy animal husbandry, forestry, veterinary science, agriculture engineering, pisciculture from a recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. In this, the experience requirement is 2 years in the relevant field. Coming to the last post, that is officer in scale 3, that is senior manager post. The requirement is bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate. Preference will be given to the candidates having degree diploma in banking, finance, marketing, agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agriculture engineering, pisciculture, agriculture marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics and accountancy. And the requirement of experience is minimum 5 years experience as an officer in a bank or a financial institution. Please note that all the educational qualification mentioned should be from a recognized university, institution, board recognized by the Government of India, approved by government regulatory bodies, and the result should have been declared on or before 28th of June 2021. Proper document from board university for having declared the results on or before 28th of June 2021 has to be submitted at the time of interview for the post of officer scale 1, 2 and 3, and at the time of joining for the post of office assistant multipurpose. It is also mentioned that the date of passing the eligibility examination will be the date of appearing in the mark sheet or provisional certificate issued by the university institution. In case the result of a particular examination is posted on the website of a university institute, the web-based certificate is issued. Then proper document, certificate in original issued and signed by the appropriate authority of the university institute indicating the date of passing properly mentioned thereon will be reckoned for the verification and further process. Candidate should indicate the percentage obtained in graduation calculated to the nearest 2 decimal in the online application. And also, if called for the interview, the candidate will have to produce a certificate issued by the appropriate authority inter alia stating the norms of the university regarding conversion of grade into percentage and the percentage of marks secured by the candidate in terms of norms. It is also mentioned that the percentage of marks shall be arrived at by dividing the total marks obtained by the candidate in all subjects in all semester years by aggregate maximum marks in all the subjects irrespective of honors, optional, additional optional subject if any, and multiplying by 100. This will be applicable for those universities also where class/grade system is decided on the basis of honors marks only. The fraction of percentage so arrived will be ignored, that is 59.99 will be treated as less than 60% and 54.99 will be treated as less than 55%. So wherever, suppose in this vacancies 50% is required, so you should be at least scoring 50% and above. Your percentage should not be 49.98, 48.99, 49.99, 49.98. Then in that case you are not eligible to apply for these posts. Also, for the proficiency in local language, for the recruitment of officer in scale 1 and office assistant, proficiency in local language as specified below shall be an essential qualification. Candidates who have already studied the language of the state in the standard 8 or any level above standard 8 in government recognized board of educational school or having any certificate to the effect of for standard 8 or any level above standard 8 would be considered proficient in that local language. Where the candidate does not meet the aforesaid recruitment requirement in the local language at the time of selection, he will be given a time of 6 months from the date of joining to acquire the proficiency. The period can be extended by the boards of RRB within the framework of the rules and provided that such extension should not be beyond the probation period. Coming to the application fee intimation charges. Application fee intimation charges, online payment from 8th of June 2021 to 28th of June 2021. Both dates are inclusive. For officer scale 1, 2 and 3, rupees 175 for SC, ST, PWBD candidates and 850 for all others. For the office assistant multipurpose, rupees 175 for SC, ST, PWBD and ex-servicemen candidates and rupees 850 for all others. Bank transaction charges for online payment of fees, intimation charges will have to be borne by the candidate. Coming to the online examination structure, for a preliminary examination, objective type, office assistant multipurpose, there would be reasoning questions and 40 questions, maximum marks would be 40, and composite time of 45 minutes will be given for numerical ability, 40 questions and 40 marks. Total is 80 questions and 80 marks would be given 45 minutes. So first, office assistant and officers in scale 1 both have to qualify this test in order to appear for the main examination. And in the officer scale 1, it is again both reasoning 40 questions 40 marks and quantitative aptitude. Instead of numerical ability in the office assistant, it is numerical ability, whereas in the officer scale 1 it is quantitative aptitude 40 questions and 40 marks. There are total 80 questions for the 80 marks and composite time of 45 minutes would be given. Candidates for both posts have to qualify in both the tests by securing minimum cutoff marks. Adequate number of candidates in each category depending upon requirement will be shortlisted for online main examination. Now coming to the main examination for the objective type in office assistant multipurpose. Reasoning questions would be 40 questions and 50 marks. Computer knowledge would be 40 questions and 20 marks. General awareness would be 40 questions and 40 marks. English language, which will be in medium in English, 40 questions and 40 marks. Hindi language, medium would be Hindi and 40 questions and 40 marks. Numerical ability, 40 questions and 50 marks. So there will be total 200 questions for total 200 marks, and the composite time would be given of 2 hours. Coming to the officer scale 1, reasoning 40 questions and 50 marks. Computer knowledge 40 questions and 20 marks. General awareness 40 questions and 40 marks. English language, medium would be English, 40 questions and 40 marks. Hindi language, medium of language would be Hindi, 40 questions and 40 marks. Quantitative aptitude 40 questions and 50 marks. Again 200 questions and 200 maximum marks. Composite time is 2 hours for total exam duration. So in the either the candidate can opt either the English language or Hindi language in both office assistant multipurpose and officer in scale 1. It is given that candidate can opt either 4A or 4B, that is either English or Hindi. Other detailed information would be provided in the information handout, which will be given by the IBPS before the commencement of the examination. The call letter for the preliminary examination will not be collected at the examination venue, and they have to retain the call letter along with the authenticated stamped copy of the ID proof. Those candidates who are called for the main examination will be required to bring this call letter along with the main exam call letter and other requisite documents as per information provided in the information handout and call letter. Candidate need to bring one additional photographs, same as pasted by the candidate on the call letter along with the call letters and other requisite documents as per the information provided in the information handout and call letter. Coming to the officer scale 2, candidate need to submit call letters and ID proofs duly stamped together to be in the designated drop boxes after the examination. Those candidates who avail the service of scribe should submit scribe form along with the call letter and ID proof copy. Candidate need to bring one additional photograph, same as pasted by the candidate on the call letter along with the call letter and other requisite documents as per the information provided in the information handout and call letter. There are list of version of test. It is also given that the state is given and the version of test it is also given. There are total 28 states where the test would be happening, and the medium of test is also given in the advertisement itself. Coming to the officer scale 2, general banking officer, the examination will be objective type. Reasoning medium would be Hindi or English, 40 questions and 50 marks. Computer knowledge Hindi or English, 40 questions and 20 marks. Financial awareness Hindi or English medium, 40 questions and 40 marks. Either the candidate have to opt English language or Hindi language, 40 questions and 40 marks. And quantitative aptitude and data interpretation, both the medium would be Hindi or English, both Hindi or English, 40 questions and 50 marks. Total questions would be 200 and maximum marks would be 200, and total time duration is 2 hours only. For the officer in scale 2 specialized cadre, professional knowledge Hindi medium would be Hindi or English, 40 questions and 40 marks. Reasoning Hindi or English, 40 questions and 40 marks. Financial awareness Hindi or English, 40 questions and 40 marks. Again English or Hindi to be opted by the candidate, either Hindi or English, 40 questions and 20 marks. Computer knowledge would be Hindi or English medium, 40 questions and 20 marks. And quantitative aptitude and data interpretation Hindi or English, 40 questions and 40 marks. So but here the questions would be 240 in the specialist cadre, and the maximum marks would be only 200, and the duration here is 2 hours and 30 minutes, whereas for the other examination for scale 1 and scale 2 in general banking and officer scale 1 category, it is 2 hours duration and total questions are 200 and 200 marks maximum, whereas in the officer in scale 2 category specialist cadre there would be 240 questions and maximum 200 marks, and the duration is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Coming to the last, officer in scale 3, the reasoning, there would be 40 questions and 50 marks, Hindi or English medium. Computer knowledge 40 questions and 20 marks, Hindi or English medium. Financial awareness 40 questions and 40 marks, Hindi or English medium. Again, either Hindi or English have to be opted by the candidate. 40 questions and 40 marks, and quantitative aptitude and data interpretation 40 questions and 50 marks. So there will be total 200 questions and 200 marks, and the composite time is again 2 hours only. There will be a penalty for wrong answers marked in the objective type questions. For each question for which a wrong answer have been given by the candidate, 1/4 of the marks assigned to that question will be deducted as penalty to arrive at a corrected score. That is, if you will do 4 wrong questions, 1 marks would be deducted. Cut-off scores for the office assistant multipurpose. Each candidate will be required to obtain a minimum score in each test of online main examination to be considered to be shortlisted for provisional allotment. Depending on the number of vacancies available in each state, candidate would be shortlisted for provisional allotment. For officer in scale 2, each candidate will be required to obtain a minimum score in each of the online main examination to be considered to be shortlisted for interview. Depending on the number of vacancies available, adequate number of candidates in each category, not exceeding 3 times of the declared vacancy in each state, shall be called for interview, subject to availability prior to the completion of the interview process. Scores obtained in the online main examination will not be shared with the candidate shortlisted for interview. And for the officer in scale 2 and scale 3, each candidate will be required to obtain a minimum score in each test of online single examination will be considered to shortlisted for interview. Depending on the number of vacancies available, adequate number of candidates in each category not exceeding 3 times of the declared vacancy shall be called for interview, subject to availability. And prior to the completion of interview process, score obtained in the online main examination will not be shared with the candidate shortlisted for the interview. Mere passing an individual test may not be sufficient, as candidate should also score sufficiently high on total score in order of merit to be called for common interview or provisional allotment. Decision of IBPS in shortlisting and calling number of candidates for common interview provisional allotment shall be final. So on each of the, like Hindi, you have to clear, then you have to clear the reasoning exam also, you have to clear. There would be a minimum cutoff for each section. There is a sectional cutoff for each and every sections here. What would be the scores obtained in the online examination that would be taken for the purpose of calculation for the office assistant multipurpose? Only the main examination for the final merit listing. For the officer in scale 1, main examination will be considered for the shortlisting for interview and final merit listing. And officer in scale 3 and scale 2, general and specialist, marks obtained in single level examination will be considered for shortlisting for interview and final merit listing. So there will be a pre-examination training to be arranged by the IBP RRBs. Interview would be applicable for the post of officer in scale 1, 2 and 3. The candidate who have been shortlisted in the main examination for the post of officer in scale 1 and in single level examination for post of officer scale 2 and 3 will be subsequently be called for an interview to be coordinated by the nodal regional rural bank with the help of NABARD and IBPS. The venue, date and time of interview will be informed through the email and other modes of communication, and there will be no date change in the date, center, etc. for the interview will be entertained. The total marks allotted for the interview are 100, and minimum qualifying marks scores in interview for officer 1 scale 1, 2, 3 will be as per the extant guidelines. The relative weightage of online examination and interview would be 80-20 ratio for the officer cadre. For the combined final score of the candidate shall be arrived on the basis of the score obtained by the candidate on online mail examination for the post of officer in scale 1, in the single level examination for the post of officer in scale 2 and 3. Interview score of the candidate failing to secure minimum qualifying marks or otherwise barred from interview or further process shall not be disclosed. A candidate should qualify both in online main examination and single and common interview and sufficiently high in rank in the merit for shortlisted for subsequent provisional allotment basis. List of documents that are required at the time of interview would be also given to you along with the interview letter. They are self-attested copies in original and photocopies of all your documents and certificates. It is also mentioned that at the time of interview, joining failing which the candidate may not be permitted to, if you are failed to submit any of the self-attested copies as you mentioned in the application form, then you will not be allowed to appear before for the interview. Printout of a valid interview call letter. Online application form, as you have registered after submission of your online application, proof of date of birth, identity proof, mark sheets and other, and your result declaration before 28th of June 2021. The OB and caste certificate also by the concerned government in the central format. So these are the posts which has been notified by the IBPS, and a provisional allotment will be restricted within the RRB for the state opted for. So you have to choose your bank and everything in a proper format so that your selection will be in a positive way. Also there would be a guidelines given how to appear for the if you have to appear for at the venue. Mask, wearing a mask is compulsory. Gloves, personal transparent water bottle, a personal hand sanitizer 50 ml, a simple pen, and exam related documents, call letter, admit card, ID card in original, photocopy of ID card, one additional photograph, etc. Call letter, admit card should be brought with the photocopy of the photo ID stapled with it. Original ID is also to be brought for verification. The name of the ID and on the call letter, admit card should be exactly the same. So these are the guidelines which are given. Now we will be coming back to how to apply. In order to apply, you have to visit the IBPS website, and as I have already told you how much the processing charges are there. So you have to click on www.ibps.in and click on the home page to open the link CRP for RRBs, and then click on the appropriate option. Click here to apply online for CRP RRB officer scale 1, 2, 3, or click here to apply online for CRP RRB office assistant multipurpose to open up the online application. Candidate will have to click here for new registration, and after registration you have to submit your application and upload your photograph, signature, left hand thumb impression and handwritten declaration. So all these extant guidelines are already given in the advertisement, and you have to visit www.ibps.in for the further notification and information. The main things I have already told you through this video, and rest of the things like you have to apply, all the procedure is already given, and it is as normal as for the other examination. So whosoever is interested and is eligible can apply for the same. That there are so many vacancies which are going to be notified this time, and if you will apply, the criteria, the chances of shortlisted and final selection would be high. So friends, here we are ending this video. Thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.